Happy day 130 of day trading the stock market open with a small cash account. We're about 4 minutes late into the open. We got PPSI doing some fun stuff. I looked at the tape. I reviewed the YouTube video from yesterday, and I hit 1 minute to make a new high. I hit from the Rage Quit video. I hit the order at 402. Plus 4 on my limit, put it at 406 or better. The bid was actually higher than the ask. The bid was at 407, the ask was at 406, so I didn't get filled, and then it just went from there. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. All right, we got front side here on PPSI. Oh, TIVC halted down, but I don't think the story's over there quite yet. PPSI's got a daily issue at about 550, so I want to see if it gets over that. I already kind of missed the first pullback. I already kind of missed the 1 minute to make a new high there too. We're going to try to dial in the accuracy because it's been horrendous over the past few days. Buyers at 520. Buyers held the line. 30 getting eaten. Nice move to 34. Back under. Ooh, similar price action to yesterday. And then back over. No, a rip. A rip to 550. 550. 549. She buzzing. Okay. I know this candle looks ugly, but oh, what is that? The accuracy has me a little hotkey shy here. I should have taken that mini little rising wedge there. What is going on with these candles? Schwab, what is this? How is that? How can I make any qualified hypothesis off of wicks that flash up, flash down that aren't showing on level 2 or time of sales? Look, they just went even bigger. Like, what is going on? Some shady business going on here. Halt down's 471. Like I don't know what to think about these candles. Let's just take a second to take some coffee. Boom, baby. I will prevail. I will prevail eventually. I will survive. All right, TIVC open. All right, I don't know what I'm thinking. My immediate reaction was like, let's see if it bear traps. But I mean, I had to talk myself into like, oh, it's trying to halt up now. Like, that's not front side, buddy. Let's try to stay away from it until it proves itself. It's trying to halt up here. Why are these halt bands so tight? Or is it just crazy volatile right now? Guess there's just a lot of range on it. Yeah, they're not that tight. They're $1 apart. What else we got going on? 114% for PMNT. 30 milli, so it's not showing up on my penny stock. Come on. XNET. It's a little too big. Oh wait, no. Yeah, it's still, that's too big. Too big, too big. Alright, I think the action for me is going to be back here on TIVC. I think this thing's going to climb back over VWAP. Actually, let's not even talk about what we think is going to happen. Let's just wait to see what happens and react accordingly. But let's do this. Just wait for it to get front side, just so we don't get caught in anything wicked. Plenty of time, plenty of time, plenty of time. Say the Rage Quit video has the most views out of like any video I posted in a long time. I don't know how I should feel about that. Like, is that support or is that laughter? Or both? The human psychology is a strange animal. Human psyche, I suppose. Okay, TIVC. You're gonna curl. PPSI. You're struggling. Mr. Yons is back. But we got coffee here. Cafe dis later. Scan. ADN, no volume. That's starting. All the stuff's starting to get too heavy now. I'm meant to make a new high. It's gonna be over 510. There's 510. It's not front side though. Too expensive. Chop fest. Okay, maybe it is PPSI. It's gonna be the one. Is this thing gonna halt down first? Whoa, man. I gotta get that. I gotta get that. I gotta get that. I gotta fix that muscle memory. That's too funny. I see a panic flush and I like race to the hotkeys. All right, we're gonna hold 510 here. We're gonna curl back up into the promised land. PPSI. 1 minute to make a new high there. Boom. Interesting wick again. Man, tough trading. Tough trading. This whole month has been, I don't know if it's been tough for everybody else, but this month has been tough for me for sure. And these types of candles does not make it any easier. Feeling pretty disciplined today though. Feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty good. This is a mental win so far today. What's the news is on this PMNT anyways? No news on it. Uh-oh, PPSI. I need to get this zoom figured out. There we go. There we go. That's better. That's a clear little vision there. But now I need to go back because I got to see where this 510's from. All right, 510 Dunzo. Pre-market high, Dunzo. Too many clicks. Too many clicks, it says. It's fine. All right, TIVC. You proved me wrong. You're just going down to the dumps. General market, what are we up to today? Rolling down from highs. PPSI. Sellers at 30. We're meant to make a new high again. They're happening like right at the next candle minute, which is interesting. Let's see how it reacts to this wick at 540. Are we creeping up? Are we creeping up? Remember, these weren't really legitimate, so I wonder how these are going to stack up to future candles. Well, I say not legitimate. I mean, they had to have happened at some time or else they wouldn't have shown on the chart, but they didn't happen within those 2 minutes according to level 2 and time of sales. So, I don't know. I don't know. I guess we'll wait and see. It's definitely looking like it's starting to kind of curl though, doesn't it? Is it going to get extended? That's the real question. Here's 530. 32. $509. We can hold the 5 line. Man, this is just range bound though. Tough. Tough trading. Be right back. We back. All right, well. Okay, tape speeding up on PPSI here. 540, 520. $28, nope, 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 nope. All right, I want to watch this closely around the new minute. 5:30, if it cracks 5:30 around the new minute. 20 seconds until a new minute. Oh, it's kind of wicky up here though. 5:30, 5:40. Five, four, three, two, one. New minute. And no love. It's just kind of hovering in no man's land, PPSI. A lot of sells coming through at 15. There's 14 on the bid. 12, 11, 14 back on the tape. 13 back on the tape. Some buyers on TV. What is it? TIVC 425. See if she starts to curl. Here the buyers 425. Ah, see, that did it again. Schwab, I don't get it. I don't understand. Unless these are dark pool, which would not show up on level 2, which would not show up on the tape, and if these are wicking, that would mean they are exiting their positions up here, selling. I don't know what the logical explanation is for that. Because we didn't see any type of anything over 530 or 540 on level 2 or come through on time of sales, but it just wicks up like it happened for real. I don't know why it does that. If anybody knows why it does that, drop it in the comments. This is not bad. There's like a 3-cent spread here. I expected this to be way more than that. All right, we can go to penny stock land, SRXH. I hate penny stocks, but I'll do it since it's the only front side. just go from, it went from 1 minute to make a new high, 56 to 63. That's definitely doable. Are we gonna A, B, C, D up here? What are our dailies looking like? Issues at 67 through 70. Bear trap. Bear trap. Nope. VWAP's gonna be the area of max loss over here. Right around there. Give it a shot. Range bound though. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, let's see if we get a pullback off this daily level. Oh man, PPSI. It's alright. Still won't let me zoom over here, huh? She gonna go? BSLK, wasn't that one from the other day? Didn't that go nutty the other day? Sure did. 2 days ago. $0.06 spread. Alright, is it gonna actually break out? Is the penny stock gonna break out? Okay. So news here. Do we have any news? Yesterday's news, right? Yeah, it's yesterday's news. Okay, try EMA. Half out. Secure the bag. There's a 1 minute to make a new high on PPSI. Let's get rid of it in case it rolls over. Good trade, good trade. A lot of love, a lot of love. But what about my boy B Rabbit? $20 seconds until a new minute. Yikes. She did end up rolling over, so good trade there, SRXH. Well, it is a penny stock, but I was going to say that's a big seller right there. Man, it's making new high. It's going to be over like 64. Is it going to do it? We're on the tail end of this front side. I'm not sure. I'm not super stoked about that. Let's wait. Let's wait. There's in 1 minute to make it high over 63. 63, back to 63. Rejection off the daily. PSLK, you have news? Oh, they did an offering. They did an offering and it's still moving. Fascinating. I managed to make a new high. Ooh, no. Wicked. Oh, 30-cent spread. That was tough. Tough trade in there. All right, let's see if we get an ABCD here for SRXH. Boom. PPSI, you gonna go on that candle? Nope. Tape moving pretty fast over here, SXRH. Nice. Nice move. Didn't really capture it, but it's okay. $68. Back to 67. 70. Is it going to get extended here? I cut that pretty quick because I thought I got in too high on that last trade. A lot of green here at 70. I saw that seller get chopped, but it went to 71 and then moved right back. Here we go. Is it going to go? Sellers at 72. They got chopped also, still didn't go. PPSI, if it's holding this little curl up, it could be creating a nice little candle for itself. Green at 72, no real love. Sellers at 72. Sellers, there we go, 75. Big sellers there, 71. Sellers got eaten. Thing is just steady mobbing up, huh? It's up 161%. Okay. We're gonna wait for 1 minute to make a new high over 70. Sellers are at 69. 30 seconds until a new minute. 70. $71. Happened in the same candle though. 8. 10 more seconds until a new minute. In a minute. Go, baby. Nice, nice. Not a great looking set of candles there. I feel like this is already well extended. I mean, these candles are... I mean, this thing just steady mobbed for like the entire morning. It's a gross fake breakout. By fake breakout, I just mean VWAP bounce. Alright, is it going to leg up again? This is the first pullback, second pullback. It's kind of a third pullback here. I'm just going to lock it in. I'm going to lock it in, and I'm going to lock up a mental win because the mental wins are more important for me now than the actual wins. So, green day, small green day. Again, this was a range-bound trade, but I can't say I'm not happy that I took it because, you know, the chance that it could have gone to here, that was the idea, happened here, not here, is what it is. And then front side trading over here brought us back to reality. So I'm out of here. Spread love, be good to each other. I'm out of here. Peace.